Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using some glitter heat transfer vinyl and metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl. I'll be using both of these to create this cute shirt. This vinyl is in the color Colorful Black. This collection consists of 18 beautiful glittery shades. And this vinyl is metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl. This is in the color gold. This collection consists of 14 amazing shades. So let's use these together. Let's head over to Design Space. Once in Design Space, go over to the search bar. I will type in any Christmas saying and then enter. That will take you to projects. So you can look through projects, or you can just go to images and select that. Once you're there, just scroll down. Once you find something, just select the plus sign. You will get an added to canvas notification on the bottom, so select View. And here we have our image. This image is already grouped, so I'll keep it that way, just for the sake of this video. But if you want to save some vinyl, you can always go to the groups, ungroup it, and move them around. This way, when you're cutting, you save some vinyl. Another thing you can do is change the colors. By doing this, they will get cut out in different mats. And now let's select Make. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. Select to work on a mat. Depending on the size, you can use a 12 by 12 mat. And select Continue. We'll be working on 2 different color mats. So that means we have 2 different color vinyls we'll be working with. So this is how this project will get cut out. Let's select Continue. Something very important to do is always measure your blanks. And always cut your vinyl to size. This way you're not wasting any vinyl. This vinyl works well on cotton, polyesters, and blends. It is ideal for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, soft home decor, fabric, accessories, and other items. Easy to cut and weed. And let's bring in our mat. I'll be using a strong grip mat since this material is a little bit thick. I want to make sure it stays sticking on my mat. I'll be putting shiny side down, or in other words, the clear carrier sheet down. To get it to stick to the mat, I'll be using this brayer. Now to set base material, I'll be selecting glitter. And mirror is on. Design Space automatically turns it on when selecting Iron On. Since glitter vinyl is a little bit thick, I'll be selecting more pressure. As for the metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl, I'll select Browse All Material. Once I'm there, I will scroll down till I find the material. Or you can put in the search bar what material you're looking for. I will be selecting metallic. Once you have it, select Done. For this one as well, I will be selecting more pressure. Now I do recommend you do some test cuts before cutting any projects out. And we have both vinyls cut out. To do the weeding, I will be using this Tech Wrap pin pen, which is my favorite. To use it, just poke on a corner and pull your material up. This will get rid of any unwanted vinyl. Now I'll get the inside pieces and all done. So this is what it looks like. As for the stars, I did those off of camera since they were much easier to do. As for the temperature, here is a heat guide. These always come in your rolls. Let's go to the bottom and find glitter. Go across and find temperature, which is 310 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 seconds. Now I'll be lint rolling my shirt just to get any fuzzies out. I recommend you always do this before pressing your shirts. I will also be pressing my shirt for 5 seconds just to remove any moisture. To center your design, you can use a ruler just like this one, or you can fold your shirt in half to create a crease in the middle. And let's bring in the design. Here it is. I will be folding it in half. This will create a line in the middle, and I can align it with my ruler. This is how I like to center my design. Let's move it a little bit, and it's perfect. Let's bring the design in and align it. Always put your design 3 inches down. So if you don't have a ruler, just use your 3 fingers to measure. Now let's remove the ruler, and we are ready to press our shirt. Now I did adjust the seconds that I pressed my shirt to 10. And once you're done pressing it, wait till it cools down before removing the carrier sheet. Now the heat guide does say 12 to 15 seconds. I did do 10 since I was layering 2 vinyls. This way my vinyl doesn't get too much heat. And now for the metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl stars. Once I cut these out, I did cut them out on a square just to save some vinyl. That's why you see me putting each one on here versus weeding the vinyl the way it was cut out. For this vinyl as well, I'll keep my temperature to 310 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. To get both vinyls to seal, you can always press for 5 more seconds. As for me, I'll keep it this way. I love how the metallic chrome vinyl looks this way. This turned out really cute. I love the way this looks. Personally, I love the black and gold together. And if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.